What's going on, guys? Nathan Loy here with Quick 10 Workouts, and today I want to make a shake for you that I typically like to make to begin the day. Just thought I'd break it down for you. It's pretty simple. So first we're going to add broccoli.
Chopping broccoli. Chopping broccoli.
In addition to that, we're going to put 1 banana. Got frozen fruit. Do about half the bag.
The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Put oats as well.
Trying to pick her up and saying, "Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal."
1 scoop of protein powder.
Protein.
Protein.
Protein. Protein.
Protein. Protein.
Last but not least, just going to put water in.
And that's what I call high quality H2O.
Alright, and there you have it, guys. Make sure that you blend it enough to where you get those pieces of broccoli, fruit, and oats all finely ground so you're not getting stuck in your teeth, you're not getting a bunch of grit, none of that good stuff. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Super short video, simple video. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions about making shakes or fitness or nutrition in general, let me know. I'll be coming to you soon with another video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.